Hey there! Welcome to this video. Today I am going to show you step by step on how you can earn money using Canva. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to turn creativity into cash, you can do this by staying at home. Also, this guide is for you. You can do it with your phone too. Let me explain you how you can earn money from Canva. So what is Canva? Let's understand with the diagram. Do you know that Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform? It's perfect for creating all kinds of designs like social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, ebooks, and more. The best part? You don't need any fancy design skills. Canva provides free templates, fonts, and elements to make designing super easy. Now let's talk what you can create from Canva and how to sell it. For example, in Canva, you can create YouTube thumbnails, social media templates, printable planners, kids' books, ebook covers, business cards, and more. Like YouTube thumbnails, YouTubers need eye-catching thumbnails to get more views. Canva has perfect templates for this. You can create a YouTube thumbnails and sell to the YouTuber. Next is social media templates. People who do businesses love pre-designed posts for Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. You can offer them those designs and earn a heavy money. Next is printable planners. Those who are looking for designing calendars, trackers, and to-do lists. You can create those designs and sell them so that people can print at home. Another is kids' books. You can create colorful children's books with fun illustrations and sell on platform like Amazon KDP. Also, another is to create ebook covers. Authors are always looking for attractive covers for their books. You can contact them and sell to them too. You can create business cards. Small businesses need professional cards, and Canva makes it easy to design them. You can design those cards and sell them too. All these designs can be made in Canva, and they sell really well. Also, another good thing is that they are pretty simple to create. Let's try to design a YouTube thumbnail. Practically just follow me. First, go to Canva and search YouTube thumbnail. Pick a template you like. Change the text, colors, and images to fit the video's topic. Boom! You have a professional-looking thumbnail ready to sell. Now let's design a kid's colorful book. Search for storybook templates. Use Canva's fun illustrations and add text for the story. Keep it simple and engaging. Once done, download it as a PDF and upload it to Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, to sell. You can price it around $10 per book. Now let's talk about where to sell those designs. So where can you sell your Canva creations? We can sell it on Fiverr. It offers services like YouTube thumbnails or social media templates. Next, on Etsy, we can sell printable planners or digital art on Etsy. Another is Creative Market. We can upload our Canva templates for others to buy from Creative Market. Last is Amazon KDP, where we can publish kids' books or ebooks and earn royalties. These platforms have millions of buyers waiting for our creativity. Now, as a follower of my channel, I would like to provide you some quick tips to boost your sales. First is focus on a niche. For example, only create fitness planners or wedding templates then. Use keywords to make your listings searchable and offer free samples or discounts to get your first few sales. Let's take a note that you should always use high-quality images and designs to get a faster sales. And that's how you can start earning money using Canva. Remember, the key is to stay consistent and keep improving. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Happy designing! Also, what will you create first? Let me know in the comments so that I can guide with you in the next coming video.